Alright you guys, so we're here today in Athens, Greece, and today we're heading to the Acropolis, gonna see the Parthenon today. It's a beautiful day, 24 degrees Celsius, very excited. So guys, the Acropolis and its surrounding archaeological sites, the heart of ancient Athens, is the place where the most essential aspects of the European identity emerged. Democracy, philosophy, theater, science, arts. Features on the European Union's list of European heritage sites. Be prepared guys that there are a lot of tourists at the Acropolis, which is okay, but just be prepared.
During high season, from April to October, the admission price is 20 euros, and during off-season, admission is half price at 10 euros per person. They also have a package deal for 30 euros, which gets you access to the Temple of Zeus, Hadrian's Library, and much more.
Alright you guys, so today we're at the Temple of Zeus. There's only a few actual remaining pillars here, but it is quite neat to see the size of these pillars and the intricate detail of what went into actually making them. Okay guys, so here we are at Oceanas Beach. It is definitely a surfer's beach. We got here on the hop-on, hop-off bus from the main city of Athens. It took about 45 minutes to get here. We had a lot of nice scenery going through. It's a nice windy day for surfers. You can see there's a lot of waves out there. We are personally not going to go swimming today, but you certainly can. You do have to pay a fee to get in, but they clean up really nicely here. It's very, very clear water, very, very clean, and I do recommend this place. So one thing that you can do in Athens, especially on a very, very hot day like today, is go to the Acropolis Museum. So the admission to this museum is 10 euros per person in high season, which runs from April all the way to October, and then in low season, or the winter season, it's 5 euros, and that runs from November to March. So we've gone through some of the museums so far, and what we found out is that there's 4 levels. There's 4 levels of full-on sculptures, history, there's a cafeteria, there's a reading lounge, there is lots to do here, so you could easily spend about 2 to 3 hours here, and for 10 euros in the high season, that's not too bad. It's also air conditioning, so it's really nice when it's a super hot day.
Hop on, hop off. If you have ever traveled before, you're probably familiar with the hop on, hop off bus. There are 2 lines that stay in the city of Athens, hitting all the major tourist attractions, and the 2 other lines go just outside the city, where you can visit the beaches. If you found this video useful, make sure to check out our Greek food video and smash that like and subscribe button.